Welcome to Gary's Talk Show. We are here with the 2012 president and the runner-ups. Let's give it up for President Ron Paul and the candidates. What do you have to say?
I think people like me now.
We also have a special guest, the Japanese chef.
Japanese chef.
I thought I hear force making. Why you not tell me this game show? Who you win? Who you win?
Thank you for that wonderful speech, Japanese chef.
When do I get to speak? I sue the government for not making me the president.
Well, this just read them so. My butthole is too small for my poop.
Why you not tell me this English? I win. What do I win? OH, mode school. Bloom bloom.
I think people like me now.